Today I will explain children exercise 8.1 question number 9. The question is, in a parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD such that DP equals to BQ. Show that first, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB, second AP equals to CQ, third triangle AQB congruent to the triangle CPD, fourth AQ equals to CP, and the fifth part APCQ is a parallelogram. So what is given here is ABCD is a parallelogram first, and P and Q are the points on the diagonal such that DP equals to BQ. These two parts are given equal. So given is ABCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AB equals to DC, AB equals to DC, and AD equals to BC. And third is given DP equals to BQ. And DP equals to BQ given. To prove is all these 5 parts you have to prove. So first, triangle APD congruent to the triangle CQB. Second part, AP equals to CQ. Third part, triangle AQB congruent to the triangle CPD. Fourth part, AQ equals to CP. Fifth part, APCQ is a parallelogram. All these 5 parts we have to prove. So let us see the proof one by one. First, your triangle APD means we have to take this triangle. Congruent to the triangle CQB means we have to take these two triangles. So you will write first, in triangle APD and triangle CQB. What are the things that is given? PD equals to PQ. It is given PD equals to BQ. Then your angle 2 equals to angle 1. Why? Because AD, it is a parallelogram. So AD is parallel to BC and this is your transversal. So angle 2 equals to angle 1. That is your interior, alternate interior angle. Are equal when the lines are parallel, and this was given. And the third is your AD equals to BC. This is also given. So the triangle APD, that is congruent to the triangle CQB by SAS, congruence rule. SAS. Now when the two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are also equal, so AP equals to CQ. That is by CPCT. This was your second part. Now see the third part. These two triangles we have to take AQB. AQB means this triangle and CPD means this triangle. So you will write in triangle AQB and triangle CPD. AB equals to CD. This is given because it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Then angle 3 equals to angle 4. What type of angles they are? They are again alternate interior angle. These lines are parallel and this is the transversal. So angle 3 equals to angle 4. That is your alternate interior angle are equal. And the third, this is BQ equals to DP. That is also given. This is also given. So again your triangle AQB, that is congruent to the triangle CPD by SAS, congruence rule. That is SAS. Now when the triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal, so AQ equals to CP. That is by CPCT. Now, in the quadrilateral, which one? APCQ. Here, AP equals to CQ, proved above, and AQ equals to CP. That is also proved. This implies APCQ is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral with opposite sides equal, it is a parallelogram. Now see question number 10th. Question is ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendicular from the vertices A and C on the diagonal BD, so that triangle APB congruent to the triangle CQD, and second part AP equals to CQ. This we have to prove. So what is given in this? Figure is already given here. That is ABCD is a parallelogram, BD is the diagonal, AP and CQ are the perpendicular from A and C on the diagonal BD. So given is ABCD is a parallelogram in which AP is perpendicular on BD and CQ is perpendicular on BD. Both are perpendicular. BD. To prove is first triangle APB. APB, this triangle congruent to the triangle CQD, this triangle. And the second part AP equals to CQ. This we have to prove. Now see the proof. We will take whatever we have to prove, we have to take that two triangles. So we will take triangle in triangle APB and triangle CQD, these two triangles. What are the things given? APB. In this triangle, angle P equals to angle Q. Angle P equals to angle Q, that is 90 degree. Now angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? Because they are again alternate interior angles. This parallelogram, so the lines AB and CD are parallel and BD is the transversal. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. That is your alternate interior angles are equal when the lines are parallel. And AB equals to CD. That is this is given because it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. So AB equals to CD. It is given a parallelogram, so opposite sides equal. So it is AAS. Triangle APB conquered to the triangle CQD by AAS congruence rule. So AP equals to CQ, that is by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This was to prove.